Your joints click, but is it something we should be worried about? Plenty of people report their joints cracking, popping, and making noises. This can happen in any part of the body, our shoulder, wrist, elbow, fingers, back, knees, and this is often referred to as crepitus. These are physiological noises that happen in the body that aren't linked to trauma and typically don't cause pain or any loss of function. However, there are also pathological noises. These are noises that happen in the body when we have acute injury, such as the pop heard when doing your ACL, or that gunshot noise when someone ruptures an Achilles. If these types of noises happen, you should be followed up by a clinician immediately.